Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you the laws in probability and conditional probability. Don't worry, there's no calculating in this video. Just some introduction in the concept. Okay, so you don't have to worry much if you don't really get it. Okay, because in this video, I just throwing all the laws and all the concepts that maybe you couldn't see well at first. Okay, maybe you will see it better, you'll understand it better when you do the exercises, when I put examples. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, the laws or concept in probability, the useful ones. This one might be a little bit different with the ones you see in book. Not really different in a way that it's totally different. It's just that this is the way I arrange it. It's way different from the books that you've seen. Okay, so first thing first, the probability value can be 0, 1, or anything in between only. Why I put only? Because some student, they just calculate from what value they just use whatever value they get from the calculator, and they just write it in the value, and then they just consider it as the final answer. They didn't realize the value is negative, which is not belong in the first law or the first concept I shared just now. If you get -2, for example, okay, it's not logic to get probability negative because it's not including to the value that I just mentioned. For example, if you get 3 suddenly, 1.3 maybe. Okay, so you might make some mistake somewhere. Maybe from the calculation, maybe you use the wrong value, maybe you multiply wrongly or something like that. Okay, next, a Venn diagram or table must total up to 1. Okay, must total up to 1. What I meant is the probability. Okay, must total up to 1. Okay, the Venn diagram and table must be complete. If the table or Venn diagram complete, then every probability in the Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram is something like this. Okay, maybe it's 2 circles or 3, depends. If this is 0.4 and this is 0.1 and this is 0.3, and then how we're going to complete this one? Easy. We just total up 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.3 equals 1 plus A, the one that we don't know. Okay, so 4, 7, this is 0.81. A plus 0.8. So A is 0.2. So from here we know it's 0.2. Okay, now how we're going to know whether our Venn diagram is correct or not? We total every probability inside each region, then it should total up to 1. This is what I meant lah with the second concept, the second idea. Okay, now next, all branches or all events in an experiment must total up to 1. All branches, this one I meant in the concept of tree diagram, whereby we get this one. So let's say this one is 1.3, this is 1.2, this one must be 0.5. Okay, why? Because they are coming, these 3 branches are coming from 1 point. So the total must up to 1. Okay, so next, a prime equals 1 minus A. A prime pula. I am sorry. This is not a prime. This is A. This is the event. A prime. Okay, A prime. Maybe I should use B lah. Okay, B prime. Okay, B prime equals 1 minus B. For example, this one lah. This is the symbol. So B prime equals 1 minus probability of B. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay, maybe I use black color to get rid of that, and then put the B later. Okay, now B prime 1 minus B. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, So how to know? Okay, we can use the Venn diagram as well. So this is B. Okay, so B is which one? Is this one. Okay, B prime, which one? So these are all B. Inside this one is B. So which one is B prime? The one is not B, which is the ones outside. This one. So I shade them differently for you to see. So that is B prime. Sometimes sometimes they write with this symbol, or maybe they use this one. B prime is just same with the B bar. Okay, next. If nothing mentioned, then the union of A and B equals PA plus PB minus PA intercept B. Okay, nothing mentioned means they didn't mention whether A is independent of B or A and B are mutually exclusive. This is what I meant by nothing mentioned. If they mention A independent of B, then we cannot use this one. If they mention that A and B are mutually exclusive, we cannot use this one. Okay, we have to adjust them. Okay, because why? Because we continue with the next two lah. Because if A is independent of B, okay, then the intersection of A and B equals the multiplication of probability A and B separately. Okay, so this is the concept lah. Okay, and last but not least, if A and B are mutually exclusive, okay, then the intersection of A and B is 0. Okay, this one I can show you by using Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram. This is A and this is B. This is the example of whereby A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means there are no intersection between them. As you can see from here, this A is separate with this B. This is one example if A and B are not mutually exclusive. This is not. They are close to each other, got intersect some more. So as you can see over here, there is a intersection over here. Get lah a value, don't know lah what is the value. But this one no intersection. Okay, so PA intersect B equal 0. So no intersection, the circle no longer intersect each other lah. Yeah. Okay. So next, next is the formulae, the Venn diagram formulae. Okay, you don't have to worry so much about it. I will cover this one in the next video. In other video, In other video, you can watch it and then do the sketching together with me to gain more understanding. Or if you think you can memorize them, okay, just swallow this one as a whole lot. Up to you lah. Okay, some of my students also like this. They just accept the formula as is and then they just swallow them, and then when see the question, they just vomit everything the formula during the exam or during doing the exercise. Okay, that doesn't matter also, can also. But to be honest, if you don't understand it, if you don't understand why this one equal this one, then you might get a problem lah later on if the question change a little bit. Okay, Next, I want to talk about conditional probability. Okay, now for this, the aim telling you this part is for you to, I want to show you how to take out from the sentence into the symbol pretty quick. You don't have to think actually. Okay, now first thing first, we have to I want to share you the definition. Not really definition lah. It's the way for me to understand lah. Okay, the definition in the book may be a little bit different. Okay, what does it mean by conditional probability? Probability, it is the probability of an event given or if something happened first. Happened. So something happened first. Then what is the probability of the preceding the afterwards thing happen. Okay, for example, okay, we have two events. It's either the day is raining or your laundry is soaking wet because you forgot to take them from the outside. Because after you take out from the machine and you put outside kan, to dry them kan, and then suddenly it was raining, you still play your games and then you forget and then you'll die because your mother will kill you afterwards. Now, so which one happened first? The raining first or the laundry will get soaked in the rain? So for sure, the rain will happen first. Okay, and then the laundry that you try to dry get soaked in rain. Okay, so okay, don't worry so much. Okay, now the formula is P given PA. There's a line over there. B equals PA intersect B divide by PB. Now I want to teach you how to get this easily from this sentence. Okay. Okay. So we put now how. First thing first, you find these two words, given or if, in the sentence, in the statement. For example, this one. Okay. The first example, probability of getting a girlfriend given that you are poor. Okay. In this, where is the given? Okay, you see over here, right? And now you see the given over there. Okay, and then you sketch this. You do this. Why? And why? Because, okay, you see this, the symbol, you get A and then this one, right? And now we are figure out which one on the right hand side and which one on the left hand side. Easy. Don't worry. Okay, you see. And then this is the pole that you've set up. You look on your right hand side, just next to the right hand side. Which one is the closest event? You see over here, the event that is you are poor. So in short, poor je lah. Okay, so this is the pole, right? And then you write poor on the right hand side. And then what should we fill this one? Okay, find lah from the sentence where. The question asking for probability of getting a girlfriend. So the left hand side of the pole is the girlfriend. So this is the way for you to write it. Right away from the question, you know how to write. No need to think anyways. So how? And then we use the formula, we apply, and then so GF intercept poor. Okay, and then close, divides by probability that you are poor. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, now, second example. If a person is a YB, what is the probability of the person corrupt? Now, first, the tips, find the word given or if. Where over here, no given, but we have if over here. Okay, and then look on the right hand side of the pole. What is the closest event? So the closest event is a YB. So put pole over here, YB over here, close the bracket. Now what's left is getting this one. So where? What is the probability? Probability of the person corrupt. So this is the missing event that we are looking for. So corrupt. Okay. So we write lah. Corrupt intersect YB divides probability of YB. Okay. I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.